All AC parts might look confusing, but understanding what a single pole contactor does can totally change how you handle your air conditioning system. So, a single pole contactor is basically like the switch that controls the power going to your AC compressor or fan motor. It's got this one plunger that moves to open or close the electrical circuit when your thermostat tells it to. When the AC kicks on, the plunger pulls in, connecting the circuit, and letting electricity flow so your system starts cooling. When the AC shuts off, the plunger releases and breaks the circuit, stopping the power. If you ever hear a clicking noise near your outdoor unit, that's probably the contactor snapping on or off. Keeping this part clean and free of corrosion is super important because dirt or wear can stop it from working right. Also, if your AC won't turn on but everything else seems fine, checking the single pole contactor is a smart move since it's a common culprit. One of the biggest issues with single pole contactors is them getting stuck or burnt out because of constant heavy use, which can cause your AC to stop running. Fixing this means swapping in a new contactor that matches your unit's specs exactly. Another problem is corrosion or dirt buildup on the contacts, which messes with the electrical connection. Cleaning it gently with electrical contact cleaner usually does the trick. Lastly, wiring problems like loose connections or broken wires can cause intermittent power loss. Tightening connections or replacing faulty wires will get things back on track. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners who want to find reliable local contractors without all the hassle and stress. Plus, it helps contractors get steady work by connecting them with people who actually need their skills.